How to fix the issue with Paycor application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Paycor application in your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly tap and hold on the app icon and then click on App Info. Then after, you will be directed to the setting page of Paycor. Simply choose the option of storage and click on Clear Data. Then click on Clear Cache and click on OK. As sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance of application. So once you have cleared the cache for Paycor application, now it will run smoothly. After clearing the cache, simply head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you are an iOS device. Search for Paycor mobile application, and if you see the option of update, do click on it and update the application. Now after all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Paycor application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.